It's the Christmas time. Christmas is a time of merrymaking, and one such is the wreath making. Wreath is a very holy thing. We can see wreath in the churches, and we also decorate our houses using wreath. So today I am going to show you how to make a beautiful wreath at home. So let's get started. See children, I have taken a circle cutout of mound board, a red color paper cutout bow, some circles of the same red paper, green color rectangle cutouts. Now see what I do. First, I will take this paper and roll it like this. See, this is how I will roll it. Now I will apply some glue over here. I am using a paintbrush to apply the glue. I will stick it nicely, press it hard, and again I will apply some glue this side and stick it on this paper. And the same way I will make the paper rolls and stick it around this circle. So see children, I have stuck all the paper rolls on this circle. Now I am going to take the red color circle cutouts and going to stick this on the top of it using some glue again. I will apply some glue and stick it on the top like this. See? This way. Now the same way I will stick all the circle cutouts on all the paper rolls. So see children, I have stuck all the red color circle cutouts on the top of green paper rolls like this. Now I am going to make a bow. For that I have taken a red color bow cutout and a golden strip of paper. Now I am going to just roll the paper and stick it applying some glue. See, I am applying some glue using the paintbrush and I will stick it like this. Now I am going to stick this in the center of the bow over here. Again I will apply some glue and stick it in the center of the bow. I'll just press it with the help of my fingers. Now my bow is ready. So now I'll fix this bow in the center of the wreath over here. Okay. Again I'll apply some glue at the back like this and I'll stick this in the bottom center. See children, our beautiful wreath is ready. I hope you all enjoyed making this beautiful wreath. Do make this and decorate your house this Christmas.